Now we're going to take a look at FactoryTalk Analytics for Devices. Now this is just an application box that you then deploy onto your network. So you buy it from ourselves as a device, you plug it into your network, and it will go out and find the first 100 IP addresses that it can find on the network. Now that's from standard. If you need to configure that, you can do things such as whitelisting or blacklisting, so you can then get it down to specific IP address ranges if you need to. When you get online to the box, you'll first see the system feed. Now, and this is quite a simple start page, so you can then ask Shelby simple questions. So, how many devices need maintenance? So, if I click that button there at the top, it should then tell me 1 out of 4 devices need maintenance. So, it's giving you, you can ask it like Cortana or Siri. You can ask it questions in the browser. You can also go then to the Explorer. Now this will show you what devices you have on your network. Now because I've got a small setup here at home at the moment, I've only got the application itself, the appliance, itself, the 5380 controller, the GuardLink adapter, and the Palm B5510. I've also got the IOLink Master. So what it's showing there is, from a quick overview, everything's healthy apart from it's saying some actions required on the IOLink Master. So if we go on there, it's then giving you in English that on channel 0, it even tells me the sensor type, so a 42F EF sensor is about to fail because getting insufficient light being detected. So in the earlier demo, you would have seen we had the IOLink Master, and we were saying that it was getting, it needed cleaning. So basically, it's telling me there the sensor's still working, but your maintenance guy should really go and have a look at it. So it's giving you, again, diagnostic information, but you've had to do no coding to get this. You've basically plugged this box into your network. It's gone out within like 10 minutes, populated this data here, interrogated the device, and told you that there's some maintenance required on that device. Now, if you look on the side there, there's some bars. So it's saying for obviously the PLC, it's only got 2 out of 4 bars of diagnostic information. So if you go on there, it's going to say, yep, it's healthy. It's got this much utilization. So it's giving a quick overview. There's not much information it's going to get out of the PLC. But obviously with the IOLink, you've got 3 out of 4 bars. So it's then giving you, see there, it's giving you more data. Now, if we was to go and unplug that sensor, if you give me a second, I'll just go and unplug it. This is where you'll see that this is not real time, this box. So it's not meant to replace alarming on your control system. It's sat there, as a simple deploy supervisory system. It's additional to your alarming. So you wouldn't expect to be waiting for this to tell you that your sensor's failed. But in a minute or two, you should see that will then change to a higher level because the sensor's been disconnected. So hopefully we'll see in a minute that will change. So it can be used to give you some warning, but don't use it as your primary measure for alarming. There you go. So it says failed look. So channel 0 is device is not connected or operational. So this gives you an overview of all your devices, but you can then go to what's called the action deck. So in there, this comes up as like a news feed, and it's saying that these were the things that have happened in the past. So obviously they got resolved. So there was maintenance required because the sensor, was on its boundary. It's gone away, but now this is what's in progress. So it's actually failed there. Now, if you've got your vote up or vote down, so if you were only interested in the fact that it's a failure, I'll vote that up. Anyone know about failures? You're not really cared if there's a maintenance requirement, you can vote that down. So next time something happens in the future, it will reorder those and say, yep, this is what you need to look at, and ignore the things that you voted down. So it's got like a learning model in the background.